Here is some vintage deer. This is my grandparents' set that I've mentioned a couple times in other videos. There's 3 of them. And these are over here for repair. The build quality on these is landslides better than the ones that I have, which are much newer. The wire these are comprised of is probably double or triple the thickness of the ones that I have. And I think even the smallest unit probably weighs more than all 3 of the ones that I have combined. And it's got a good powder coating on it after being outside for over 2 decades. It's not rusting, it's not breaking apart at the weld joints. Very good quality equipment. I think these are from 1999. Yep, they're from 1999. So I'm not sure if they were bought in 99 or bought in 2000. But there's a bunch of outages here, and I think that this is a user error situation more than an equipment failure. You can see a lot of the bulbs have a black ring around where the filament is. A lot of them are like that. And my grandfather is usually pretty good about changing the bulbs as they burn out. But I think what's happened is he might have used the wrong wattage bulbs, or perhaps a mix of different wattages. It's hard to tell now because it's in broad daylight, but a bunch of these bulbs are burning at different brightnesses than others. I guess you can kind of see on the camera. See, these 2 here are very bright compared to this one, for instance. And so the only way to fix this is to relamp it. Because this is a series string, if you have different wattage bulbs in it, the draw across the entire string is no longer balanced, and then some will burn too bright, too hot, and then they burn out very quickly. So we're going to have to go through and relamp all 3 of these because they all have the same problem. Maybe the bottom here is just like a regular loose bulb or something, because these don't seem too burnt. But this section up here is definitely burnt out. And we've got a lot of bulbs out up here. So this is probably the result of the wrong wattage being put in place. Yeah, see, these are kind of burnt. And this one is the same thing. A lot of the bulbs have the burnt. Actually, this is about to fall out, looks like. So a lot of these are burnt as well. So unfortunately, we have to relamp them all. That's the only way to fix this. You can change the wattage of the bulbs, but you have to do it all at the same time. So, and it's the same thing on this one. A lot of the bulbs have a blackening around them. I don't remember which section was out on this one, but you can see there's a bunch of bulbs that are starting to turn black. So it's probably the same issue on all 3. Yeah, see a bunch of them up here have turned black around where the filament is. So these have been running way too hot because it's a mix match of it's a mix of wattages, which is not, it doesn't work. So I'll try to get this repair on video. It seems to be unreasonably time sensitive for some reason, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get it on video, but in case I don't, I just wanted to show these so that we can have a comparison of what the build quality is like. These are very early on. You don't see these too often. I don't think that the deer existed for much earlier than these. I think these are purchased when it was kind of a new thing. I'd like to find myself a set like this so it's much more reliable. But they're definitely hard to find because most people just throw them out when they get to this stage, rather than changing all the bulbs. Interestingly enough, This one I think is 2.5 volts. This one's dated 5 of, hold on. This one's dated 5 of 99, so these probably were purchased for Christmas of 99. Yeah, 2.5 volts, and I think this was 3.5. Yep, that's 3.5. And then this one is 3.5 as well. And these each have 2 plugs on them, so I think that these are probably high efficiency bulbs because there's so many lights. And so maybe what happened is when my grandfather bought replacement bulbs, they were not the high efficiency bulbs, they were the higher wattage bulbs, and so that caused it to burn too hot in series with the still working lower wattage bulbs. These are just so overbuilt, it's incredible. The weight, I mean, this has got to be 10, 15 pounds. It's incredible. So that's that, the vintage deer. Mentioned these enough time now we can finally see them in person. Hopefully I'll get the repair on video too, but I'm not sure.